Pynbor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka court admission na kabenta ka nursing but paramedical course, kabala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Sembun menteri rangba kejala uba singaw balang dhar. Ulaong balada ki Paidbah kimmon banwanra Lynti ha kanika rilum khasi jaintia. Ka Sorkar kan Pynbor satya. Bat kan persyang hiru ban le da ka bor lada klem daya selok lang bat ki Paidbah. Ulai tu bakala don ka komiti ka badon lang baro ki sengsain partai ban yakren yakani. Bat kan simpor hadu kumba shipau hadu khasan teligi jialang ban yakren halor kanika mat.
To negotiate this stakeholder. Because you see, that's why this government is never bulldoze. We always take everybody on board. This is the people's government. It takes times. Does not mean one team will solve everything. It takes times, 2-3 meetings. We may go 10-15. What is the problem? Because we need to take everybody on board before doing anything. External people is different from place to place, no? So that is the reason we have to make awareness nicely, properly to all the local people, respect the area. So that is the reason it takes time, because everything new things, it takes time a little bit. Let's see as of now, as this, let's see.
Pidan dukan marbam, ndai. Compare, laka barid, kaba pidi harut surok, ni kabahe, kum ki restaurant, bat kiway, ni pishat roti, shat kiek, bat kiway, naka benta ka koi kakya, jongi Paidbah, nong bam nong di. Paidbah pinyo ka jingshanya, naki, Pidan kan bandon dekat lisen ke papaka ke bala itu dekat an kata ke Food Safety and Standards Act arjar Henry link back section lai poi iwe kam de ke be bapinyo ek lisen pila ban apply ke online link back website fastcus.fssai.gov.in dak bapi hap upload ru ikut kisla badan kam kat kum kejajing kam jongpi Pila aru banyak kendo, yaitu designated officers lani food safety officers, kebadan hak office terekam Jong-u lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district kebadan Megalaya, latno tang is kasihers. Pila benlet bed cek office terekam Jongki ke commissionerate of food safety kebadan Halowa Lachumya. Nakabenta ke kuat kakya kinong bam nong di. Lawan Rashapi, dekat Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, bat belakershan dekat Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.